This lesson is asking you to describe what an equation actually means. So if you have an equation that looks like this can be written out as x minus 3. So it's just asking you to look at the equation and tell us what it actually means. It gets a little bit more complicated when you have more than one variable involved or more than one thing happening at once. So with this equation, what you would write is 3 times m plus 2 times n. So you could write times, you could write multiplied by, plus can also be added to. There's a couple options. There's more than one right answer, but you have to make sure you're taking care of everything that's happening. And when you have a variable attached to a number, that implies that they're multiplied together. Now you can use what you learned here to calculate equations. So if you're given that x equals 5 and the equation 2x plus 3, and you're told to solve this, what they're asking for is for you to give a numerical, what this equals if you plug the 5 in where the x is. So that's all you have to do. You take the 2x plus 3, and in place of this x, you put 5. Now remember that the multiplication is implied there. It's not going to be spelled out, but just a number next to a variable means that they're multiplied together. So I would rewrite this as 2 times 5 plus 3. Now we know that 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3, and our answer is 13.